Yo, hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to be getting outside of the map and going to bunker in Animal Company. So I just found out about this with some people who were like, I don't know what they were doing. And I followed them. They showed me a place, which I need to find the right gear right here. They actually lowered the money thing. It's $450 now. So you wanna come over here, and I'm doing this alone, so yeah, you wanna come over here, then where it stops being grass, you can actually crawl. Oh god, you can crawl down here and then you're out. So I don't know when it gets dark or if it gets dark, but if we look where sewers is, you'll see that it's you see that it has a bottom to it. So let's go down. I hope it doesn't get dark. So yeah, look at this. I'm just gonna fly through into. Okay, it does get dark. Don't worry. I got something for this. Whoa. Okay, this is cool. There's a bunch of wires. Oh my god. What is this? I'm pretty sure they're gonna texture these wires a little better, but it doesn't lead to anything right now. Uh-oh. I'm falling. What's that? What was all that? What the? Is there a ground? Nope. There was not a ground. Okay, there seems to be water down here. Why is there water? Why is there water down there now? Well, I just lost everything. That's okay, I didn't really have that much stuff. So yeah, that's how to get outside of the map. Bye.